Hi, I'm Mike from UpKeep. We understand the challenges safety teams face, chasing paper forms, missed incidents, audit stress. Today I want to show you something we built specifically to solve these problems. Meet Kevin. He's the safety and maintenance manager at a busy food processing plant. Before UpKeep EHS, Kevin started every day in firefighter mode, chasing paper forms, following up on audits, and trying to make sense of spreadsheets. When a minor incident went unreported for 2 days, it was the last straw. That's when Kevin turned to UpKeep EHS. Now, safety events are reported the moment they happen, from anywhere on the floor. QR codes placed throughout the facility let anyone scan and report. No app, no login. Employees can speak directly into their phones, using any language.
Derrame de aceite cerca de la línea 3.
Oil spill near line 3.
UpKeep transcribes the report, translates it into English, and autofills the form. If follow-up is needed, Kevin or his team can create a corrective action, by voice or by form. UpKeep turns spoken context into structured CAPAs. Need a physical fix? Link the CAPA to a work order instantly. Everything's connected: EHS, maintenance, and compliance. This is what I love about this approach. Kevin now has a clear record of safety events, corrective actions, and team follow-through, all in one place. When audits come, he's ready. But more importantly, his team is safer because nothing falls through the cracks. And with OSHA logs, SOPs, and more coming soon, compliance is about to get even easier. Kevin spends less time tracking down problems and more time preventing them. Safety isn't reactive anymore, it's routine. If you're ready to transform how your team handles EHS, we'd love to show you how UpKeep can work for your organization.